So I'm about to show you how you can really make money with YouTube Shorts without showing your face, and how you can actually monetize these type of videos. Because I have seen a few comments from people that say you cannot monetize these type of channels anymore, but that is not true, especially if you avoid a few things I'm going to tell you. I'm also going to walk you step by step and show you the easiest way for you to create these type of videos, and it's going to take less than 5 minutes, and no, you don't need any skill to do this. And of course, to make this easier for ourselves, we'll be using ChatGPT to find the best ideas that's going to help us make this money. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So there are two channels that I want to show you that's doing these type of videos that's getting paid a good amount of money, and the first one is called In a Nutshell. Now this particular channel shares facts about different topics, but the way that they deliver these facts is through animation. It is a faceless YouTube channel, but they just do it in an animated type of way. But let's look at the type of money that this channel makes. If we go over to Social Blade, it shows that this channel is making up to $1 million a year. And let me tell you one thing about Social Blade, they always underestimate what people are making. So believe me when I say they are making way more than that. But another channel that I wanted us to take a deeper look at, Most Amazing Top 10. And they also make faceless YouTube videos, again, about mysterious and interesting facts. And over on Social Blade, it shows that this particular channel is making about $500,000 a year. But again, remember, they most likely making more than that. So why are you showing me these channels, Monique? I'm glad you asked. The reason I wanted to show you this is first and foremost because I wanted to do a little research about what type of faceless YouTube channels are working. And I found between these two that are very successful, they are really educational type of YouTube channels, and they are giving facts for the most part. So that's what we're going to focus on today. And the reason that I'm saying let's dive into these YouTube shorts is just because short form content is taking over. I'm more than sure you are aware of TikTok, although TikTok is probably going to be banned soon. It was already banned in one of the states in the United States. And then Facebook actually just stopped paying their creators that $35,000 bonus that I told you guys about. So I want us to focus on another type of short form content because that's just the way the world is shifting. However, this is one that's more stable. So if we're gonna put our energy into anything, let's do this one. So to make sure we are getting these type of engaging, interesting facts, we will be using ChatGPT to do that. And it is absolutely free to sign up for ChatGPT. I'll go ahead and put the link down in the description. But once we are in here, we are going to come down to the bottom and we are going to ask Chat to give me 10 interesting facts that I can make a YouTube video about. So just like that, these are the interesting facts that ChatGPT has come up with. And I must say they are actually pretty interesting. There's a mysterious gravitational anomaly that's pulling our galaxy towards it. That's something I didn't really know about. Did you know about that? Now, I just asked for 10 interesting facts. You can ask for as many as you want to. But I typically always recommend to people to try to post at least once a day. And again, I'm about to show you an easy way to create these videos. So don't worry. You're probably like, Monique, one a day. I'm busy. I'm still working. I ain't quit my 9 to 5 yet, but I'm trying to. However, I'm going to show you a really easy, simple way to create these. And it's going to be with using an editing tool called InVideo. This is very user friendly. I'm telling you, anyone can do this. So when you log into InVideo, we're going to go over here to the templates. They have over 6,000 pre-built fully customizable templates that you can use. So I'm going to be using that first fact, which was about the galaxy. So that's something space related. So I am going to search up here in the templates for something about space. And so I'm going to click into this template, and you want to make sure that you are using this in portrait. So once we get into here, again, like I said, this is a pre-built template, so everything that you're going to need is going to already be here. So they have 5 different scenes. It has a different video for each scene. All you have to really do is go in and edit those words to match the fact that you want it to say. And to do that, I'm going to click on to the first scene at the bottom in our timeline. Down here is where all of our information is going to be. So when we click on the first one, I'm going to just edit that, remove that 3, and then instead of it saying incredible facts, I'm going to make it just say interesting facts about space. And then I'm going to leave that as is. I told you it's easy. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the second scene. Now they have a logo tab up here at the top, and that's just if you have a logo you want to add, but I'm not worried about that. I'm going to go ahead and hit that X to remove it, and then make sure you remove from all scenes if you're not using it. But so I am going to remove this one here, and I'm going to go back to ChatGPT to find out what that first part of that fact is, and I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to come back over here, and instead of just going straight into the fact, I wanted to first say at the top, did you know? So I'm going to change that, and then I'm going to paste the first part of the fact into that second box there. And then all I have to do is kind of drag it out. I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to center it, and that's pretty much all there is to that part. Now, something I wanted to show you is that if you want to change the videos that come in the templates, because again, this is customizable, you do not have to use the videos that they have in there. So if you wanted to change that first video, all you have to do again is click and delete it. And then when you come over here to the videos, and let me tell y'all something about this stock footage here, y'all. They have over 8 million royalty-free clips from premium sources such as Shutterstock and iStock, which Shutterstock and iStock alone will cost you hundreds in subscriptions, but you get all of that here in one place. So in the videos, we are going to search for space, and look at all of the different clips that pop up. They have so much for you to choose from. So all you will have to do is scroll through, see what you like, and then you'll hit that plus sign on the side. You'll just choose fit scene. That's just gonna allow it to match the same amount of that scene that the last video was in. And you can stretch it out if you want to, just to make it fit the screen a little bit more. But that's pretty much how you change videos. Now, another thing that you can do with InVideo is you can add music. But usually when you pick a template, they'll add music to it automatically, which again makes it easy for you. You don't have to search for anything else. But sometimes you may not like that song. So if you want to change it, all you have to do is go over here to the music tab, and you can come to the top. I'm doing something about space, so again, I'm searching for space, and you can just look through what they have, and then when you find what you want, then you just hit that plus button again, and it's going to add it down to your timeline. But make sure you remove whatever other music was down there, because you don't want to have 2 songs going at one time. It's just going to sound like a lot of chaos. So there is just one more important thing that we have to do. I told you this is really simple though, but we are going to be adding a voiceover to this video. Now listen closely. This is where a lot of people have run into problems with getting monetized with these type of faceless YouTube channels before. Many people that use those type of robotic voices, I have found, are having difficulty with monetizing their channels. I believe personally, this is my opinion, y'all, the best way for you to do this is going to be by using your own voice. Because when I spoke to a YouTube partner manager and I asked them about being able to monetize these type of videos, and people saying they had difficulty sometimes with getting monetized, they told me as long as these videos add value to people when they watch it, then there shouldn't really be any problem as far as monetizing the channel. But you also want to make sure you have original content too, and I don't know if that's one of the reasons, but to fix that problem, that's why I'm telling you guys, make sure you use your voice for the voiceover, and all you have to do is go down below to the voiceover tab. So you can record from your phone if you want to and just upload it into InVideo, or you can actually record directly into InVideo by just pressing this record voiceover button, and then you'll hit record and it'll count down for you. But make sure you have your script up and ready so that you can pretty much say what you need to say. But what I'm going to do is just record from my phone, and then I'm just going to drag it and drop it into this upload media section here. Playhead all the way back to the front, and I'm going to click the arrow so that it can add it down below. And once you add your audio down below, to edit it, all you have to do, you can actually drag it in to where it first starts, and then you can bring your whole audio over. You can also place your playhead where you want to split it, and then you can press the letter C, which will cut it. And at that point, you can either drag it in, or you can again bring your playhead over and cut it. And you'll just do that throughout the entire audio file so that you can make sure you remove all that dead air, or if you made mistakes, you can remove that. And after you remove all of your mistakes, then you want to just go through and listen and make sure that your words are actually popping up when you're saying what you're saying. And if something is too long, if you need to shorten a scene, you can just take it and just drag it in or drag it out. And that's with each of these. Another thing that's real important that you want to make sure you do too is with your music, you want to come up here to volume and fade, and you want to make sure you turn your music down so it's not too loud and overpowering your voice. So you want to make sure everything pretty much blends together. The next thing you're going to do is come up here to hit export. Now let me tell you something, InVideo does have subscriptions, but they have a free plan. Now with the free plan, you will have a watermark in the video, and you won't be able to download it so that we can then upload it to YouTube. However, if you really do want to create these faceless YouTube channels, then I do suggest that you get the business subscription, which is, if you get the monthly plan, it's $30 a month, but if you get the annual plan, that will make it $15 a month. And on top of that, I have a 25% off coupon, which if you get that monthly $30 plan, that's going to bring that price down to $22.50, which you can't beat. And another good thing, I'm giving y'all a sneak peek into what's going on. InVideo is actually coming up with AI software that will allow you to turn your content ideas into a video. You can tell it to create an ad in a minimalist style, and it'll do just that by you asking. You don't even have to go and do the work, it'll do it for you. So make sure you hop on the wait list now so that you can get access to this when it becomes available. And make sure y'all go over to InVideo's YouTube channel and subscribe so that you can get more hacks on creating videos with these. Now back to this video. When you are ready to download it, all you have to do is hit this export button, and then you of course want to pick the best quality, which is going to be 1080. You'll hit export, and then it's going to download, and this is what it's going to look like. Today I'm about to share an interesting fact about space that you probably didn't know. Did you know there is a mysterious gravitational anomaly in space called the Great Attractor that is pulling our galaxy and hundreds of others towards it at an incredible speed of 22 million kilometers per hour? So that was pretty easy and simple, right y'all? But now it is time to upload it to YouTube. And if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, then it's very, very easy to sign up. All you have to do is make sure you have a Google account. You'll log in. Make sure you create a name that is interesting and match kind of what you're talking about. But you don't have to beat yourself up over it. You can always change your name later. And once you are on YouTube, I got it up here on my phone. What you are going to do is you're going to hit that plus button at the bottom, and then we'll hit upload a video. And then you'll choose the video that you just sent to your phone, and then you're going to hit next. And then from there, if you didn't use the music that was in InVideo, you can also use music that's actually on YouTube. And sometimes people like to do that, especially if certain sounds are trending. That may help you to get more views. So in order to do that, you would just hit the sound button at the bottom. And then you can just go through what they'll recommend some songs. They'll show you some top sounds. And what you will do if you wanted to add a song that way, you'll just click on it. You'll hit that blue arrow and it will add it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hit that next button, and then this is where you are going to add your title. Now you want to get something that's going to draw people in. You can put some kind of title like, I bet you didn't know this, because then if somebody ever sees that, they'll be like, know what, you know, so that'll kind of draw them in. And then you can put a hashtag facts if you want to. And then after that, then we'll hit done with that. Then you'll look at everything else, the visibility. You want it to be public. You can select your audience. No, it's not made for kids. And then the last thing you'll have to do is hit the upload short. And that's it. It's as simple as that, y'all. Now, when it comes to being monetized on YouTube, first and foremost, it works the same way as long form content as far as them placing ads between your shorts. It's a little different with how the ads work with shorts, but nonetheless, that's how YouTube can pay you for your ads. There's many different ways that you can get paid for shorts too. I'll talk about them maybe in another video. If you're interested, let me know down below. But as far as being able to qualify to get paid for ads on YouTube, you still have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, or with shorts have 10 million views in the last 3 months. I know it sounds like a lot, but I'm telling you, with shorts, a lot of people are going viral and very quickly. But to be able to reach your goals, and I'm talking about fast, you would want to try to upload at least once a day. I know some people that are uploading 4 times a day. The more you do it, the faster it's going to help you to get to your goal. There's someone who actually shared with me that she started posting 1 time a day and she reached 2,000 subscribers after 3 months of doing it. So it is very possible. You just have to stay consistent and you have to really just go for it, y'all. That's the only thing. But that's all I have for you today. I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.